Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials so you don't lose time. Confirm the iPhone model and iOS version, check battery, and grab a certified cable plus a Mac or PC with Finder or iTunes. Once done, try a soft restart. Press the volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button, because this often clears freezes without data loss. If the screen stays unresponsive after 20-30 seconds, proceed to recovery mode. Make sure the computer recognizes your device before moving on. Next, you move into recovery mode to allow the computer to reinstall the system. Follow the exact button sequence for your model, Classic. Volume up, volume down, hold side until recovery screen, because timing matters. Connect to Finder or iTunes. When prompted, choose Update to reinstall iOS without erasing data. If update fails or times out, you must choose Restore, which erases the device. Make sure you have your Apple ID credentials and any available backups ready so you can recover your settings and content afterwards. Finally, complete the setup and confirm the freeze is gone. Sign in with your Apple ID and restore from iCloud or a computer backup. If the issue persists, enter DFU mode for a lower-level restore. This bypasses the bootloader and can fix deeper firmware issues, but it erases all data. If DFU fails, check hardware. Try a different cable, different USB port, or another computer, and if freezing continues, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store because the problem may be hardware-related and require service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.